Hey. Oh, seriously. Yes, has started to work now. The opportunity Fulani assessment that want to come up place. This is war. Yes, sir. This yes. Let them. Yes, sir. ESN at work now. Your turn! Your turn! Yes. Your turn! Protect your friend! This is ESN on the ground. ESN is doing the needful today. Being the ESN is doing the needful today. Being the 10th of November 2025. ESN is doing the needful at Enugu. This is ESN on the ground. Doing the needful. We are doing the needful. Today, Fulani must leave our land. They are committing too much atrocities. This is ESN doing the needful. It's okay. It's okay. This is ESN on the ground doing the needful today. Being the 10th of November 2025. ESN on the ground today. This is ESN today, being the 10th of November 2025, doing the needful. ESN on the ground. We are doing the needful. ESN is doing the needful today. Fulani must leave our land. That is what we are saying. Fulani must leave. ESN is doing the needful today. ESN, protect your land. ESN, protect your land. Protect your land. Fulani must leave our land. ESN is doing the needful today. We are doing the needful today. Fulani must leave our land. That is all we are saying. Fulani must leave our land. They are committing too much atrocities in Biafra land. All we are saying that Fulani must leave Biafra land. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. All we are saying is that Fulani must leave our land. Fulani must leave Biafra land. They are committing too much atrocities. All we are saying that the Fulani must leave our land. ESN, protect Biafra. ESN, protect Biafra land. This is ESN. Doing the needful today, being the 10th of November 2025. ESN is on the ground. All we are saying is that Fulani must leave our land. That is all we are saying. Fulani must leave Biafra land. Let them go back. ESN is on the ground today, doing the needful. Fulani must leave our land. That is all we are saying. ESN, 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 protect Biafra land. Today is 10th of November 2025. ESN is on the ground doing the needful. All we are saying that is Fulani must leave our land. Fulani must go. We are saying that Fulani must leave Biafra land. ESN is on the ground today, being the 10th of being the 10th of November. ESN is doing the needful today, being the 10th of November 2025. ESN is doing the needful. All we are saying is that Fulani must